Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a bechamel sauce. This is a basic white sauce, and it's one of the 5 mother sauces for classic French cuisine. The ingredients that you're going to need is going to be 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 1/2 cups milk, and this will later be heated. And then you need some salt and pepper to taste. Now, this is a basic white sauce, and so at the end of the cooking process, you can add some other flavors to it. So here I have some Swiss cheese to add in, and the sauce is very versatile, and you can add in whatever different flavors or spices that you like. But for the basic sauce, you need the butter, the flour, the milk, and the salt and pepper. Okay, I have a hot pan here, and the first step is to melt the butter. Okay, once the butter is melted, then I'm going to add the flour all at once. And you're going to whisk it around in there to integrate the butter and the flour. Once you have it all mixed in like this, you're going to keep stirring for about 2 more minutes. Okay, I've been stirring this for about 1.5 minutes. It's important not to let it brown. So as soon as you think it might be starting to change color, you're going to take your milk that is heated, so it's hot, and you're going to add it a little bit at a time and constantly integrate the liquid with the solid that's in your pan. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. As soon as all the liquid has been integrated, I'm going to add a little more. I do it slowly, step by step. This is the best way to prevent the forming of clumps, to always integrate the new liquid before you add more. I know I've seen other people do it and they just pour the whole lot of the milk in all at once. If you can do it without making lumps, go right ahead, but this way usually works best for me. Let me get that out of there because it wasn't getting the liquid, picking up the liquid very well. Okay, I'm finally ready to add the last of my liquid, so I'm going to add it. I'm going to integrate the liquid into the solid again. Okay, now I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it starts to bubble, I'm going to reduce the heat again to a simmer. salt and pepper. Okay, and integrate that back in. Okay, now I'm going to let this simmer for another minute or two. That would then be the point if you wanted to add some cheese, that you would sprinkle in the cheese and stir it until it melts. Otherwise, your bechamel sauce is ready to go. I'm going to use it in a
Choux fleur en gratin.